So I recently got a dress form and the package is right there. Let's go open it. Okay, so let's take everything out individually. I believe these are going to be the wheels. Let's see. These are the wheels. They look like this. And I believe this is the stencil that you can use to draw, which is pretty cool. All of the metal comes in net-like material, which is really nice because you make sure that nothing gets scratched or anything. So this is gonna be the base. That's where the wheels are going to attach to. This is the stand. More net mesh, if you see. This way. So this is the actual form. It comes with a cover. And also instructions. And here it is. This is the actual dress form. If you see, it looks really nice and it's actually quite lightweight. It's not as squishy as I thought it was gonna be, which is really good. And here it is, completely assembled.